Welcome to VCC and the Baking and Pastry Arts programs. At VCC, we're recognized for award-winning training and faculty. You'll be taught by some of Vancouver's top baking instructors at Western Canada's largest culinary school. When you arrive at VCC's downtown campus, you'll find fully equipped baking kitchens and over 20 baking instructors and staff to help you get practical skills. There are 4 certificate programs and a baking apprenticeship program for those already working in the industry. With the Pastry Certificate, you'll develop professional skills for fine pastry production, including foundational baking, plated desserts, cake design, and chocolate and confection work. In artisan baking, you'll develop professional skills for artisanal bread and pastry production, including foundational baking, gluten-free, savory, and international products. In addition to having your baked products sold to the public at VCC's retail outlets, artisan baking students also get 3 weeks of industry experience as part of the 11-month program. VCC's baking kitchens feature commercial-grade equipment and some of the latest technology. Learn more by signing up for a virtual info session or book an appointment with a VCC advisor.